In this video, we're going to check out my InstaProfit review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my InstaProfit review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be showing you my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So let's go ahead and take a look at my bonus page right quick, and I'll tell you exactly what to do. So basically, this product launched Sunday, September 3rd, 2021 at 10 a.m. Today is the 6th, so you only have 1 day left, guys, so go ahead and check this out. So it's going to end on Thursday, October 7th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so it's a 5-day launch. Okay, so what I need you to do is once you click the link under the description under my YouTube video, go ahead and check the description for that first link that's going to take you to the bonus page here. And you simply click any one of these pink buttons that says Get InstaProfit Now. Okay, and that's going to go ahead and lock in my bonuses for you on the back end, okay, when you pick this up. And we'll go over that more at the end of this video, okay? But for now, let's go ahead and get started with the review. So basically, let's go back to the sales page here. So it says InstaProfit is one-click cloud-based little app that drives autopilot traffic for you in as little as 48 seconds. This software is not a shortcut to financial freedom in 2021. It's a teleporter. Okay, so go ahead and watch the little VSL here. Now, basically what this is, it's an automated system, some software. It's going to help you automate your Instagram account where you could set up some messages and you get new followers where it'll automatically follow up with them. So this is good if you're going to be doing some affiliate marketing, but I'm going to tell you how I would use this whenever we get into the members area, okay, and when I show you all of that stuff. So let's continue on the sales page here. Okay, like I said, guys, this is, an automated generating software to get you some traffic where you can offer that traffic some affiliate products, okay? And that's how you would make your money doing this. So let's just go over read the steps here to see exactly how this is going to work. So basically, you're going to log in there, right? And create your account, then you log in. And what you're going to do is hook up your Instagram account to this software, okay? Then step 2, it says let the tool run for you in order to generate unlimited quality traffic and easily grow the Instagram account with content that's automatically generated by the software. Okay, so the software doesn't really generate the content for you. You have to put it in there first, okay? You have to set it up as in messages, and it also has a built-in chat bot where you set up the messages in there as well, right? So then you can put it on autopilot where it's going to generate it for you as people come in and follow you and whatnot, okay? So that's how that kind of works. So step 3 says earn, set the affiliate links, and let the affiliate accounts become flooded with unlimited Instagram traffic. Again, you put your affiliate links in there on the products that you want to promote, okay? So that's how that's going to work. I'm going to show you a little bit more in the members area how I would use this, like I said before, okay? Because I sure wouldn't be using it for little bitty $5, $10 products, okay? Because it just doesn't make any sense, guys. Unless you got like 1 million followers and you can promote one thing to them that's like $1, that would be an instant $1 million you could get, right? But yeah, if you just have you're just getting started with marketing and stuff and you're trying to use Instagram, you probably are going to not have that many followers, right? You know what I'm saying? Unless you're a rock star, right? Or like a famous actor or something that's immediately going to get a lot of followers automatically, right? So let's go ahead and continue on here. So what I want to show you is the bonuses that's coming with this, and I think they're pretty good. So bonus 1, you're getting boss funnels, okay? Bonus number 2 is Instagram marketing excellence. Okay, bonus number 3 is traffic beast. Some more stuff about traffic that you can learn about. Number 4 is Instagram secret, and bonus number 5 is commission generator. And of course, you have a 100% 30-day money back guarantee. All right, so the product's value with everything you're getting here is worth $8,900. So you could just take a look at this. Like I said, go ahead and read everything on the sales page, guys. This video is going to be a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is, because I already have the OTOs and the bonus pages, is what I'm doing now. Save a little bit of time and a step. So once we get to my bonus page, we're going to go over the OTOs before we get to the bonuses, okay? So let's go ahead now and take a look at the members area and see how that looks and how it all works. Okay, so we're on the dashboard here, so I already logged in. Again, this is a review account, so I can't really connect it to my Instagram. Well, I could, but what would be the point, because I won't be using this, right? It's just a demo. But yeah, if it's something that you can use, guys, maybe you want to pick this up, okay? And just to go back to the sales page, again, I want to show you how to get a little discount. Let me refresh this. So right now it's like $16 and something, okay? But if I go to log out, like to the X here, you can see I could save $4 by using the discount code here. So if I click that, it's going to show you can get this for $12.95, okay? So a big discount. And on all of the upsell pages, you're going to see a similar type of discount if you go like you're gonna log out of the page, okay? So just remember that. Okay, so let's go over the menu tabs here. So we have dashboard, accounts, list, messages, automation, post, chatbot, and RSS. Then you have your bonuses, training, and your upgrades and OTOs. If you wanted to get that, if you didn't pick that up when you went through the first checkout process, that's available here. So the first thing you need to do is click on the accounts button. You want to set up your Instagram account. So you go to add new account with your Instagram username, your Instagram password, and then go ahead and click connect. Now make sure you read this important details here. It says my account is at least 14 days old. So if you're just getting started, you might want to wait to 14 days before you try and hook this up. Not sure why, but that's what it says here, so you want to follow what it says, okay? And it says make sure you have email address and phone number associated with the account. I don't use third-party tools for this account. My account is linked to my Facebook account, so you want to make sure all of these things are in order before you try and do this, okay? So I'm not going to connect mine because, like I said, I'm not going to be using this, and it would be kind of stupid to set it up in a demo, because this is my review copy, right? So I'm not going to be using this. But let's go over the next section here, list, okay? So you have messages and users. So let's click on users here. All right, so what you would do in the user list, you would create a new list, okay? So as you can see, I created a fitness. What I would do if I was using this software is I would promote high ticket offers, guys, that gives you like 500 to 1,000 commissions, because you only have to make a few sales to those followers, okay? So you want to make your Instagram account specific to a type of niche that you're gonna be promoting just affiliate offers to. Like I said, high tickets. Like if you're doing the make money online niche, go to clickbank.com, create you an account, and sign up for all the high ticket programs that you could find in there, okay? And then you want to promote that to your new followers that's interested in the make money online space, if that's what you're doing. So for instance, right here, I'm doing the fitness, okay? And I may want to do like 3 different accounts. And what you want to do when you're doing this kind of marketing is you want to set up accounts across the whole social media board. Not just Instagram, you need a Facebook account. So let's say I'm doing fitness. Let's say I want to sell a particular supplement, okay? So I want to create a Facebook account, and I could make it like a fan of that product, okay? And I would do that on Twitter, I would do that on Pinterest, I would do that on a bunch of different social media accounts where it's all linked together, okay? And then my Facebook would link to that Instagram account, which is a fan of that particular supplement or product. So when you get more followers, right? That's how you're going to start building this up, guys. Then you promote to those followers with your affiliate links, okay? Just make sure you read the terms of service of Instagram, because you don't want to break any rules and get your account banned. But that's what you would do in here, okay, for your user list. If you wanted to do 3 types of niche, say make money online, you would create a user list for that. If you wanted to do supplements or something like that, you would create a user name for that. And if you wanted to do something else like self-help or some other type of niche, create a list for that. Okay, then whenever you go to messages here, okay, you would create a message for each one of those in the list. Okay, so for the list name, we want to keep it congruent to the username so that we don't get confused when we're doing this. So we're doing fitness, right? So I'm going to go ahead and write fitness message 1 in here, and then we need to create a message. So I'm going to add the message. This is just for the list name up here. All right, and it uses spin tags. And if you don't know what that means, I'm going to copy it right here. It just means some words inside of brackets with lines in between them that separates. Okay, so basically what this means is whenever you write it in this style with the brackets, 2 words or more closed in the brackets with the line between them. And this line right here that you see in between them can be found right on top of your enter key. You'll see the straight line on your keyboard. You hold down your shift key and hit that, and that'll make that straight line. So basically what this means is it's pretty simple. When someone sends out this message, well, you're going to be sending out this message to someone who's following you, whatever. It's going to send out the first time, it might say, "Hi, dear friend, thank you for your interest." Okay? And you send it out to the next follower, it might say, "Hello, dear friend, we appreciate you for your interest." So you see how this kind of works? Okay, and then you would just save the message. Okay, so that's done. So that's how you use the list and the messages here. Okay, so the next one here, you have messages. You could send direct messenger. Okay, so this is going into the Instagram messenger itself. And you could also do a broadcast inside of there as well. All right. You also have the automation here. This is your automation bot. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new one. See how this looks. All right, so inside this section, you have new followers, unfollowers, new following, and unfollowing. Okay, so you choose the name that you want. So I would, again, keep it congruent to what I'm doing here, fitness. So I would name it fitness bot or whatever you want to call it. You can also specify a specific date and time. So if you have if you know that a certain product's going to be having a sale or something, you could use that. You want to do that. Okay, you can do your message here with some custom text, or you could pick your message down here that you already set up, fitness message 1. Okay, so you see how that works. So that's how you would set up the automation here. I'm just going to go back to the direct message because we kind of skipped over that just so you can kind of see how this works. So you would see the person that's following you over here, and then you would just go ahead and you could write to that person. It'll go straight inside of Instagram itself to message them. Okay, now you also can do post straight to your Instagram account. This is kind of cool, and I kind of like this because you know how hard it is to post on Instagram if you're using a desktop computer. You have to have another software to do it. If you log into your Instagram account on your desktop, you can't post anything. You can only see it, right? So this will come in handy for something like that. Even if that's the only thing you buy this software for, I think it would be worth it for that, okay? So that's what it can do. You can post straight to your Instagram account. I don't have my Instagram set up here, but you could choose an image and then post it straight to your account. So pretty cool. And again, you could set up an RSS feed. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and look it up on Google. It'll tell you more about it. And we already went over these as well, but this right here is your training video. I'm a little bit disappointed in this. Kenny, if you're watching this, or Al Cheeseman, one of you guys, y'all need to do something a little bit better for your customers, because just an audio and a demo showing how to kind of do things ain't gonna help people out that much. Okay, it's still gonna be confusing. If you can't do it with your own voice, go ahead and hire a voiceover and put it in the video so it kind of explains to your customers what's going on, why you're doing that, whatever. I'm a little disappointed with this video, guys. I think you can do better than that. You may be having something in the works to put something in here or whatnot. I don't know, but I hope you do. For your customers' sake, put a little bit more into this video training, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go over my bonuses now. All right, so go ahead and remember just to click any one of these pink buttons here that says Get InstaProfit Now, and then you go to the sales page and check out. That's gonna lock in your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus, and I'll show you how to find that in a moment here. But let's go over the OTOs upsells. So the front end is $17, guys, but again, if you use that little exit pop-up box, you could save $4, so it's gonna be $12.95. So the first OTO is unlimited version. You're going to get unlimited whatever messages. I don't know what the limitations are on the front end, but obviously you can only do so many messages or whatever. So, this will open that up for you. So it does have a down sale of $17 for that. Number 2 is automation. That's $47 with a $37 down sale. Number 3 is done for you. $67. You're going to get all their messages. They already pre-configured. You just paste them in there. That's a down sale. That's not right. 97. That's not right, but yeah, well, you do have a down sale, so not sure how much that is. But I took this straight from the website, so there's just a misprint here, so I'm not sure on that. But anyway, number 4 is still our website traffic, so you're going to be able to put a website pixel, like a Google tracking pixel or a Facebook pixel, on their sales page where you could set up some retargeting ads to get that traffic for your offers, okay? And then reseller right here for $67 with the $47 down sale. So there are 2 more upsells. If we go back to the members area here and we go to upgrades, if I scroll down here, you can see they have gold membership for $37 and a 1K per day training for $37, just to let you know about that. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at my bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're going to get email marketing for beginners. So you're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate the master copywriters. So I'm basically going to show you one email, break it down each sentence, and show you what it means to how you can write better copy for your emails. Okay, so this will help you out as well in here for the messages if you need to learn how to write better copy for your messages to get better results. Okay, so bonus number 2 here is list building profit kit. Again, more stuff about email marketing and list building. Bonus number 3 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. So again, showing you how to build your list. And then bonus number 4 is InstaProfit with the 5 vendor bonuses. So here's a recap, guys. Everything right here combined is a total value of $1,001 of extra value for you if you pick this up using my link from my bonus page. Okay, just remember, make sure there's time left on this countdown timer to lock in my bonuses, and click any one of these pink buttons right here. Okay, so let's go over how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. In this case, it's going to be in Warrior Plus. So you're going to create a Warrior Plus account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one at warriorplus.com. Once you get in there, you're going to go ahead and click on the toggle switch that's going to open up to purchase history, and then you click that. So after you check out, you'll be able to see that in here, and it's going to show your product right here in step 2. So you click that, which would be InstaProfit. And then step 3, you're going to see 2 buttons in the back end. One to access the purchase, which will take you to your login details for InstaProfit. And then my bonus link will be the blue button that you see here. Okay, so that's pretty much going to wrap up this review on InstaProfit. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and Coin, the Rockstar video marketer. And guys, happy marketing.